Archaeologists in Turkey have found evidence that an 11,000-year-old prehistoric site was used for a ceremonial parade through a building containing phallus-shaped pillars and a carving of a human head. Called Kara-Hantep, the site is located in southern Turkey, east of Şanlıurfa, and has a series of buildings that date back to long before writing was invented. Within the remains of the buildings, archaeologists found carvings of human heads, snakes, and a fox, as well as several interestingly shaped pillars. For instance, the archaeologists discovered 11 pillars near a carving of a human head. All pillars are erected and shaped like a phallus. Necmi Karal, a professor of prehistoric archaeology at Istanbul University, wrote in a paper recently published in the journal Türk Arkeoloji ve Etnografi Dergisi. In the journal article, Karal did not speculate as to why the heads and phallus-shaped pillars were built or what meaning they may have had. This building is connected to 3 others to form a complex of sorts. Ancient people may have held a ceremonial parade through this complex, Karal said. Current evidence suggests that people used the complex for a ceremonial process, entering the building from one end and exiting at the other end, having to parade in the presence of the human head and the phallus-shaped pillars, Karal wrote in the journal article. More excavation and analysis will need to be done before archaeologists can say for certain that this parade took place, Karal wrote. Rather than being abandoned, the buildings were filled in with dirt, possibly during a decommissioning ceremony of sorts. The site dates to a similar time as Gökli Tepe, another archaeological site that has large buildings and carvings of animals and human heads. Gökli Tepe is also located near Şanlıurfa, and archaeologists are trying to determine the relationship between the two sites. Although Kara-Hantep was discovered in 1997, excavations didn't start until 2019. Between those years, researchers completed several archaeological surveys of the site. Karal did not reply to requests for comment.